Hello, my wonderful people. You are welcome back again to my channel. It's me again, your girl, Lady G. Yes, so you are welcome. If today now your first time when you come across my channel and you never subscribe, please do subscribe for more updates so that anytime when I upload new video, you go dey get message. And for those of una wey don already subscribe and when they support me for this my channel, and when e be say dem dey encourage me for this my channel, na God na him go bless una. I say God go bless una big, he go bless una load. Thank you for your support and for your kindness. And again, I wan use this opportunity wish una Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. And I hope una enjoy una sef during this season. We still get the holiday still dey go on. We still get many things to celebrate. So we still dey wait for New Year, and I pray God go bring us peacefully and successfully. We go see another 2020 by God's grace. So wetin I wan talk for here today, the message wey I wan talk for here today na mostly for those of our Naija people wey be say dem like orishi wey dem like mama put. You know say many people dey wey be say dem like mama put. Some people dey wey be say even though dem cook for their house, if dem no eat that mama put, their body never complete. People dey when dey live like that wey me I know for that Naija. Me na correct omo Naija. Forget even though say I dey for Yankee, but I be correct omo Naija. So wetin dey reign for that Naija now be say most people for Nigeria dem dey go buy that medicine, get one medicine, one wey dem dey call paracetamol. Una know am na. Paracetamol na just common medicine wey be say everybody dey eat am anytime. Even if woman dey conceive sef or woman newborn, even though say woman dey breastfeed, e fit still eat that medicine because that to show say the medicine e no too get side effect. Na im make am dem dey even dey prescribe am for person wey be say e never, that is, e dey conceive or e just newborn. So na medicine wey be say you fit take without doctor prescription, even though when doctor no tell you say make you take am. When you see say maybe you get pains, you get headache and some kind minor things, you fit take am. But now Nigeria don change am to another something. They don go to another level. Nigerians dey use this medicine. They say if e be say dem dey cook food when e strong, something like cow leg, like beans, like meat wey no dey quick done, and some different things, dem dey take this medicine. Now if dem just put one for inside the meat, under 20 minutes everything go just melt. Everything go just overdone. That is to save kerosene and to save firewood or to save gas. They say na that one na come dey reign for Nigeria now. Meanwhile, as dem dey do this something now, as this something dey give the advantage, another disadvantage dey for another side. Unknowingly, these people no know say this medicine, this tablet wey dem dey put inside food take dey cook, so though we dey eat the tablet, we dey take that paracetamol, if we no dey fine, e no be big problem. But the moment fire don touch that something, fire don touch that medicine, e don become toxic. That is, e don no be as e be say as e take good for us if we eat am, e don be like poison this time around. As fire don touch am, that something when dem don use am cook, e go come dey toxic. The thing dey go direct to liver, e dey go direct to kidney. I say when I see the something, I say no wonder our people dey die anyhow. Because today now if you call anybody for Nigeria, they will say you ask of this one, they go say e no dey again. Man of about 35 years, man of about 40 years, they go say, initially me dey think say most of them sef say na heart attack na im dey kill them. I know heart attack still dey, that one dey apart. But this one now, this one just still be like something wey be say person dey take im hand dey look for im death. Even though say you say na your house na you dey, you no wan use am cook because of say the something dey toxic, mama put wey you go buy for outside or food wey you go chop for restaurant, dem go use am cook for you. Even people wey be say dem dey do party, dem go invite people make dem come cook for dem, dem fit still use am cook for you. E go be like say na salt na im dem put, whereas na that paracetamol na im dem put. Una see say most problem wey we get for that country na we dey take our hand dey cause am. Okay, this kind thing now come dey happen now, who you wan call for this matter? I know say some people will still dey call government. Na government na im still cause this kind thing again, when e still be say person take im eye see korokoro, then because of im own selfish interest now, e go take am cook for people, cook am for public. He himself fit still even eat am. Some people dey use am for their house too, when dem no know the consequences, dem no know the problem when e go come out for inside, dem no know the gbege when e go come out for inside later. This something one they use for Nigeria, this paracetamol one they cook food. E dey toxic, e dey very dangerous, e dey deadly. E dey affect person for liver, e dey affect person for kidney, and this one na one of the main things wey e hold person life. Once all those things don dey get comot for body, adieu, as oyibo people talk, because no be everything we go dey call government, no be everything we go dey shout say we need to use our common sense. At least how person go say out of all that is all the things when e dey, I think e get some things when we dey use that time. Back then we even see dey see am for even for uptown sometimes dem dey bring am, they bring am come this side when dem dey call butash, this butash something whether na Benin people dem dey call am ikan, wey e be say when something too hard, you put that something. Even me myself I dey use am sometimes, just put small one, maybe I wan cook something when e strong well well, the something e go sof ten am. And even though say this thing e no dey, we when e dey uptown here we can never do such thing. We no come dey use paracetamol take dey cook food. Dem get wetin dey call pressure pot. You get pot wey be say pressure pot na when you get food wey too hard or something wey too hard when you wan cook, e no go quick done, you go come use that pressure pot cook am. So something wey suppose done for 2 hours, e go come done for 1 hour. So let's assume say for Nigeria now dem no get this pressure pot, or no be everybody dey get access to am. So what of that one wey dem dey call ikan? Na common something wey everybody know. So when person go come dey take drug, dey use medicine take cook food when you no even know the consequence of wetin you dey do. So my people, you know see am say most of the problem wey we get for Nigeria na we dey take our hand dey cause am. Most of the things na we dey do am out of, let me say, they say my people perish for lack of knowledge, out of I too know. And when we don do this thing finish, the next thing we go dey shout witches and wizards, the next thing we go dey shout government, because most of the things na we dey take our hand dey cause am. So my people, anybody wey know say e dey use that something dey cook, dey use paracetamol dey cook food when e strong, or dey use am cook meat when e strong, say make e for quick done for am to save kerosene, to save firewood, to save gas and other things, that person should stop, because this thing una dey do so, e dey deadly, e dey deadly. And even though say you no dey do am, you know anybody wey dey do am, abeg make you pass this message to that person. Tell that person say this thing when e dey do so, na im own grave na im dey take im hand dey dig o. This something is deadly. Ask your doctor. Anything wey dem don call medicine, for the moment you don put am for fire cook am, another something come be. No be the way you go take cure something for your body if you eat am, no be so e be again if e be say you come cook am for fire. So my people, na this one be the message when I wan still let people know today when you no know this something. And if you get any question when you wan add, make you just still ask, make you just still add your own journal to still advise people. If you be say you still get wetin you wan add journal, and just leave your comment at the comment section. Just like my video, give me a thumb up, share this video if you want. I want to say thank you again, and if you never subscribe, abeg, this one na the right time for you to subscribe now, so that anytime when I put new video you go dey get message. And no be only subscription, even when you subscribe you go still press that bell when dem dey call notification bell. You see one small bell when you just near the red place when they write subscribe. So just press that bell, na that one go fit make you dey get any message for your phone anytime when I put new video. So my people, have a blessed weekend and have a blessed day. See you in 2020. Bye bye.